It's hotter than hell and brighter than the sun. Pulling the trigger, you're a hardened welding son of a gun.
The most difficult aspect of it is, however, setting the right wire speed and voltage. Now, the use of the MIG welding equipment is really very simple. It's an easy process to operate. One of the most difficult aspects of it is, however, setting the right wire speed and voltage. An infinitely variable voltage that sets the amount of heat in the arc. To obtain the proper settings, you have to balance the infinitely variable wire speed and the infinitely variable voltage until they're exactly common sense.